Hello everyone, welcome today. We are discussing one of the most popular topics in gardening, how to create beautiful garden decor with border and natural stones. A well-designed garden can add so much to your outdoor space and with the right combination of borders and natural stones. You can create a garden that is not only beautiful but also functional. So let's dive and discover the best practice for beautiful garden decor. What are garden border? Garden border are the edges or boundaries of your garden that define and separate different areas within your garden. What are natural stones? Natural stones are rocks and minerals that are found in nature and can be used in a variety of ways in your garden, including as border, walkways, and garden accents. Why use garden borders and natural stones? Garden borders help define and separate different areas within your garden, giving it a more organized and structured appearance. Enhance the beauty of your garden. Natural stone come in a variety of colors and textures, making them the perfect addition to your garden to add visual interest and enhance its overall beauty. Improve drainage. Natural stones and rocks can be used to improve drain in your garden, helping prevent water from pooling in low-lying areas. The best practice for beautiful garden decor. Choose the right border for your garden. When choosing garden borders, consider factors such as the style of your garden, the plants you are growing, and the overall look you want to achieve. Create a pathway with natural stones. A pathway made from natural stones is a great way to add a touch of beauty to your garden while also providing a functional space for walking. Use natural stones to create a retaining wall. A retaining wall made from natural stones is a great way to control erosion and define different areas within your garden. Incorporate rocks into your garden design. Rocks and stones can be used in a variety of ways in your garden, including as border, garden assets, and even as functional elements such as bird baths. Mix and match different types of natural stones. To add visual interest to your garden, consider mixing and matching different types of natural stones, including rocks, pebbles, and even crushed stones. Use different colors and texture of natural stones. To add depth and dimension to your garden, consider using natural stones with different colors and texture, such as light colored stones, dark colored stones, smooth stones, and rough stones. Create garden border with a mix of natural stones and plants for a truly beautiful garden. Consider creating borders with a mix of natural stones and plants such as flowers, shrubs, and trees. Thanks for watching.